Paano mo malalaman kung nananalo ka sa isang impeachment trial? Hindi ka naman mag-aantay ng scoreboard. So what are lawyers actually looking at? And did the prosecution team think they were ahead after day 2? Let's break it down. On the second day of Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial, several members of the prosecution team came out feeling good. And not just casually good. They believed they scored points. The decisions coming from the Senate, the tempo of the proceedings, all of it felt more favorable to their side. That's a fact, straight from the reporting. Now, here's what's interesting about that word tempo. The story actually compares the trial's rhythm to calls and breaks in a basketball game. Ooh, basketball. And honestly, that analogy hits. Sa basketball, hindi lang laro ang importante. Ma'am, it's the momentum. A good call here, a time out there, and suddenly, the whole energy shifts. Same thing sa isang trial. When rulings go your way, when evidence gets admitted, when a witness holds up under cross. That's momentum, and momentum matters. But here's where it gets interesting. It wasn't the entire prosecution team singing the same tune. The reporting is careful to say several members, hindi lahat, which means may mga hindi nag-agree, or at least weren't as confident. That's actually a significant detail. Sa isang high-pressure legal team, not everyone reads the room the same way. Some lawyers are naturally more cautious. Some are already thinking 3 moves ahead. So the fact that even a portion of the team felt they were winning, that still tells you something. So back to the original question. How do prosecutors actually gauge a win in a trial like this? It's not a single big moment, it's accumulation. Every favorable ruling is a point. Every witness who delivers clearly and holds up under pressure, that's a point. Every objection that gets sustained, every piece of evidence that makes it into the record, lahat yan, it adds up. Think about what that actually means for a trial this consequential. This isn't a minor case. This is an impeachment proceeding against a sitting vice president. The outcome has real implications for her, for the administration, for the entire political landscape. The stakes couldn't be higher. So when prosecutors talk about scoring points, they're not being casual. They're tracking every inch of ground. And the basketball analogy, it's not just cute. It tells you how lawyers think about courtroom dynamics. Momentum is real, and the side that controls the tempo often controls the outcome. So we started by asking, paano mo malalaman kung nananalo ka sa impeachment trial? Turns out, walang scoreboard. It's evidence, witnesses, rulings, and whether the tempo is on your side. The trial is still going. So the real question is, Tate, do you think the prosecution can hold on to that momentum?